Today, I will share a short story called My First Salary. And at the end, we will learn some useful spoken English vocabulary from it. Let's begin. The day I received my first salary, my heart was pounding. It was not a huge amount, but it felt like a milestone. I kept checking my bank message again and again just to make sure it was real. I still remember how I stayed up late thinking about how far I had come. All the early mornings, long hours, and moments when I felt like giving up suddenly felt worth it. The next day, I decided to treat my parents. Their smile said it all. It hit me then that money is not just about spending, it's about responsibility and gratitude. The first salary opened my eyes. It taught me the value of hard earned money and marked the beginning of new chapter in my life. Truly, it was more than just a paycheck. So now let's learn some vocabulary from the story with examples. Pounding, meaning beating very fast. For example, my heart was pounding before the interview. Milestone, an important achievement or stage in life. Example, getting my first job was a big milestone for me. Stayed up late. Did not sleep until very late at night. For example, I stayed up late to finish my work. Giving up, meaning to stop trying or quit. Example, even when it was hard, I didn't give up. Treat my parents, to buy something for someone as a gift. For example, I treated my parents to dinner. Opened my eyes, meaning made me realize or understand something clearly. That experience opened my eyes to reality. So here we go. Simple words can express deep emotions, right? Learn these words, use them in your daily life, and keep growing. Thank you.